there, data enthusiast. Welcome back to Numerist, where we make coding easy and fun. Today, we're diving into Julia, a high-performance programming language that's perfect for data visualization. In just 3 minutes, I'll show you how to create a simple bar chart in Julia. So let's jump right in. First, let's make sure we have the right tools. Julia's visualization ecosystem is rich, but for this tutorial, we'll use the Plots package, which is versatile and beginner-friendly. If you haven't installed the Plots package yet, run this command to add it to your Julia environment. Once installed, bring it into your workspace with using Plots. If you do not want to run the command, you can open up the Julia REPL and hit the right square bracket to go into the package mode and type add plots to add the Plots Julia package to your Julia environment. Define the data for your bar chart. For example, let's plot the number of products sold across different categories. Here, categories is a list of product names and sales is the corresponding number of units sold. Now comes the fun part, plotting the data. Use the bar function to create your bar chart. This single line generates a bar chart. Finally, run the code to display your chart. You can also save it to a file with a savefig function. And that's it, your very own bar chart in Julia. It's super simple, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow coders, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy coding tips. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to not lose future content on Julia programming language. As always, see you all later.